How do pop-up drink stands create exclusive boba recipes? They create them by combining a memorable flavor idea with carefully tested tea, milk, sweetener, toppings, and presentation. A pop-up drink stand usually begins with a simple theme, such as a local fruit, a holiday flavor, or a dessert people already enjoy. The team then chooses a tea base, because black tea tastes bold, green tea tastes fresh, and oolong tea has a deeper roasted flavor. Next, they balance sweetness, creaminess, sourness, and texture so that no single part overwhelms the drink. A little salt, citrus juice, toasted sugar, or spice can make the flavor stand out, even though customers may not know what makes it different. The boba itself also matters, since chewy tapioca pearls, fruit jelly, popping pearls, and coconut pieces create different sensations. One useful trick is to make a small test batch and write down the exact amount of every ingredient, including ice and water, because ice slowly changes the strength of the drink. Stands often give the recipe a special name and use a colorful topping or layered design so customers remember it and share pictures. An interesting detail is that tea temperature affects flavor, because water that is too hot can make some teas taste bitter, while gentle brewing keeps delicate flavors clearer. A common mistake is adding too many strong flavors, so choose one main flavor and use the others as support. Another mistake is testing only one cup, because a recipe can taste different after sitting with ice, tea, or chewy toppings, so test it after several minutes as well. Some people also assume more sugar makes a drink better, but balanced sweetness lets the tea and special ingredients stand out, so compare several sweetness levels before choosing one. If the boba becomes hard or clumps together, prepare smaller batches and serve them within their best texture window. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.